What in the world are you doing? This is new. Reed.
No.
We're gonna have to clean this up. Do you want some cereal in a bowl? I cannot believe you. Give it to me. Gus is gonna help you clean up your mess. Don't do that. Don't do that. Gus, clean it up. Go ahead, Gus. Oh my gosh. Reed, I'm getting a video of this. Daddy's laughing at you. Reed, don't do that. Alright, time to get the vacuum out. Reed, you're not a dog.
Attention, retired NFL players. You and your family could be doing money. A federal judge approved a plan to compensate players.